Void is not emptiness. Void is space, awareness, and infinite potential. It is the field from which all movement begins and to which all movement returns. Void element level 5 is the highest level of training in Shinsei Taiso Do. It is not about doing more, it is about being more aware. After grounding the body through earth, flowing with water, awakening power through fire, and refining breathe through air, the practitioner enters the space of deep stillness and inner clarity. At the physical level, the void element training allows the body to rest deeply and recover naturally. The nervous system shifts into a state of regeneration and repair. Muscle softens, joints feel lighter, and the body begins to heal without effort. Instead of forcing movement, the body learns effortless alignment. Breathing becomes stable and subtle and natural. This deep rest strengthens immunity, supports hormonal balance, and restores vitality from within. This is the level of mastering consciousness. In mental level, a void element brings silence and clarity. The mind learns how to stop chasing thoughts and simply observe them. In this space, overthinking dissolves, mental noise fades, decision making becomes intuitive rather than stressful. The practitioner experiences awareness without tension and focus without struggle. This level training the mind to remain calm even in uncertainty. A powerful skill in today's fast and demanding world. Emotionally, void element practice creates freedom. Instead of holding emotions of reacting to them, you have to let them arise and pass naturally. Fear, anxiety, emotional fatigue begin to dissolve in the presence of stillness. A sense of inner peace and acceptance emerges. So void element training completes the journey of Shinsei Taiso Do. It teaches the true strength comes from stillness, true healings come from awareness, and true freedom comes from letting go. This level is not about achieving something outside yourself, it is about remembering what has always been within you. So when the body is still, the mind becomes quiet. When the mind becomes quiet, life reveals its truth. This is the essence of Shinsei Taiso Do.